Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you looking to switch from Notion to Obsidian, or maybe just want to bring your Notion notes into Obsidian for better local storage and customization? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to import your notes from Notion to Obsidian, start to finish, in under 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have all your valuable content neatly migrated and ready to work with an Obsidian, and I'll clear up any confusing parts along the way. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Notion workspace and locate the database or page you want to export. This could be a class notes collection, a personal journal, or even a big project tracker. Click on the 3 little dots up in the corner of your page. These are your page options. From this menu, choose Export. Now, here's a crucial detail. For the export format, select HTML. The reason we go with HTML is because Obsidian's importer plugin works smoothly with this format, allowing it to convert your notes, formatting, and even writing structure into something Obsidian can understand. If your page has subpages, say nested modules in a course or different sections in a journal, definitely check the Include Subpages option. This makes sure you capture all the content, not just the main page. It's a tiny checkbox, but it makes a world of difference for keeping all your notes intact. Go ahead and click Export now. Notion will start preparing your files and package them up in a zip folder. Depending on how much content you have, this might take a minute or two, so grab a coffee or just let Notion do its thing. Once it's done, you'll download that zip file to your computer. Take a second to remember where it's saved. You'll need it in just a moment. Jump over to Obsidian next. Open your Obsidian Vault, the workspace where you want your Notion notes to live. Now, to make the importing process seamless, we'll use a handy community-made plugin. Go to the Settings menu, just click the gear icon in the lower left, then head over to the Community Plugins tab. Here, click Browse to open the marketplace of plugins developed by other Obsidian users. In the search bar, type Importer. The first result you see should be the Notion to Obsidian importer. Click on it, then install it. Just one click and Obsidian grabs all the files you need. When it's finished, don't forget to enable the plugin. A little toggle everywhere in Obsidian, and this step is easy to miss. Once it's enabled, you can close the settings window. Now you'll see a new importer icon somewhere on your sidebar, usually the left pane. Click it to open up the importer window. In the file format dropdown, select Notion Zip. This tells the plugin to expect the zip file we just exported from Notion and handle it appropriately. Hit Select File, then browse to the zip file you downloaded a moment ago. Once you've chosen it, click Import. At this point, it'll start processing all your content, notes, headings, even those subpages. If you've got a ton of material, the plugin might need a minute, so don't worry if it seems like it's thinking hard. Your computer isn't frozen, just converting all that data into Obsidian's native format. When it's finished, take a look at your left sidebar. You'll see a whole new folder or batch of notes. These are all your Notion elements, now neatly organized and totally workable in Obsidian. Browse around to make sure everything looks good and you're done. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Importing from Notion to Obsidian doesn't have to be complicated, and with this method you'll save loads of time. If you ran into any hiccups or want tips on getting your notes organized, drop a comment below. I read and replied to them personally. Don't forget to like the video if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and practical productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.